can get it to vibrate higher. So anytime, of course, guys, we always speak about frequency. Anytime you bring a new plant in your house, even in your garden outside, but that's a whole nother story. We'll talk about that. But when you bring a new plant in the house, you want to allow the frequencies to match, right? So this one is it's still vibrating, y'all. This is a plant, so it is still vibrating way higher than I ever could. But we can get it higher. We can get that frequency higher. And what my man on Outcast say, Andre 3000, vibrate higher. We can get it to vibrate higher. And that's the love. That's the love. Just imagine how many plants have been thrown away.
And again, I remind you, in order to be on the frequency, you must first stop. Calm yourself. Stop everything that you're doing and you think you're doing, and focus your energy on the plant's energy. Peace and plants.